Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota Century, and this is by Majorette from their semi-premium series, which costs around $399, which is the MRP. So let's unbox this. So I might have mentioned this couple of times at this point. So I don't have this particular casting in any other brand. So the moment I saw this one, I mean, this is like I saw this cars and I think Need for Speed games or somewhere, but I never saw this as a casting, by any of the brands so far. Okay, here is the card art that looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's get to the casting now. So as you can see, this has a openable part. This one also has this small tag here. Let me put this aside so that we can get to the casting. So out of the box, the casting looks really good and it feels actually light compared to the Supra. So but the paint job looks really neat. So it has a little bit of scratch here, that is because it's not held by any acrylic, blister piece there, so that happens very frequently. The rear view mirrors on this one looks really great. True to the car, and it has acrylic headlights here, that is really neat. You can see the logo here, and the grill details are actually painted, that is not embossed or anything, but the hood here, that is actually embossed, that is not just paint, it is actual casting. And it does have tail light details as well. You can see the Century name badge there, that looks really great. And it has interior detailing to it and wiper detailing here. So it has openable part. Okay, they improved the quality of this doors and all, because previously back then couple of years back, not every casting has good doors. Some are really flimsy. I hope you guys remember, one of the thing dart charger, it literally crumbled in my hands. It just broke into pieces, multiple pieces. Okay, so here the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. So this has this piece here, which means there is, maybe they are planning somewhere in the future, or it is already there. There is a tune-up series of this particular car. You can fit that piece here. So it has exhaust detailing here, that looks really neat. And the tires are plastic, full metal body, plastic chassis, and the detailings are really neat on this one. So it does have suspension. Okay, so let's weigh this casting now. 30 grams, not bad. Okay, so let's do a roll test. It does roll good. Again, maybe not too good or well, it doesn't reach end of the track, but still for a Majorette it does roll really good, because back then Majorette never really rolled even till this point. The OG followers will know that, or the people who at least started following now and watched the older videos, they will know that. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So it has all the necessary detailing to it, and the casting looks absolutely beautiful. Again, this scratch here, that is specific to mine, yours might not have. So if you get a chance to look around and pick one, just do that, because I just saw only one piece of this, so I immediately bought it without any hesitation. So with that said, I am giving a 10 out of 10 for this casting. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.